In the Organization menu on the left, you can select the Answer Options feature. The availability of the feature in general and the shown choice of categories depends on the license package you have booked. To edit a pre-filled category, use the pencil icon. If you need to set up an empty one, click on the plus where it says Add Answer Option. Remember, your answer templates should be phrased in a way that they can be used for a wide variety of situations in a specific category. In certain cases where tasks are marked by employees as failed or deviating, no further processing by superiors is often necessary. This can be the case, for example, with delivery irregularities, occasionally unused equipment or temperature deviations. In the categories Reasons for Deviating Values and Reasons for Failed Tasks, you can activate the auto-resolve function after the initial saving of the answer templates. To do this, open the desired answers again and check the Auto-Resolve checkbox. As a result, deviating or failed tasks in the app are not marked in orange or purple, but directly in blue as automatically resolved once the corresponding answer template is selected. Automatically resolved tasks do not appear in the Issues section and thus reduce the workload for those responsible for documenting irregularities.